particle is projected upwards with a velocity of 34.3 meters per second. Find how long after projection the particle is at a height of 49 meters above the point of projection, for the first time and for the second time. So we'll summarize our question again. The particle is projected upwards with a velocity of 34.3 meters per second. So our initial velocity here is 34.3 meters per second. So find how long after projection. So they're asking for the time. How long after projection the particle is at a height of 49 meters above the point of projection. So this is the point of projection. So let's say this is 49 meters. This is the 49 meters above the point of projection. This is our point of projection. So after how long? So it means that as this particle goes up and comes down, you realize that as it's moving up, it will be 49 meters above the point of projection for the first time. Then it will reach maximum height and probably come back. As it's coming back down, again it will be 49 meters above the point of projection the second time. So the question is asking us to find the time when it is there the first time and when it is there the second time. As simple as that. So again, our value of g, since it's moving upwards, our value of acceleration is definitely negative g. So we shall go ahead and say our displacement s is going to be equal to ut plus a half at squared. The displacement in question here is 49 meters. So 49 meters is going to be equal to initial velocity u, which is 34.3 times the time, that is plus a half a. Our acceleration is negative 9.8 times t squared. When you rearrange this equation, you're going to end up with a quadratic equation, and that quadratic equation, so solving that quadratic equation gives you t minus 5. The roots are 5 and 2. So the values of time is going to be equal to 5, or t is going to be equal to 2. So to answer the question, it simply means that as this particle was moving upwards, the first time it will be 49 meters above the point of projection will be 2 seconds. So that answers part A. Then the second time it will be 49 meters above the point of projection is 5 seconds, and that answers part B.
This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out other excellent videos on the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. For Kisembo Academy, this is Arnold Rangakuramia, helping you manifest excellence.